早上10時，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。上午10時，颱風蘇拉集結喺香港之西南偏西約170公里，即係北緯21.8度、東經112.6度附近。預料向西南偏西移動，時速約12公里，橫過廣東西部沿岸海域。蘇拉繼續遠離本港，但其外圍雨帶仍然影響珠江口一帶。本港多處仍然受到烈風嘅影響，高地間中吹暴風，市民切勿鬆懈防風措施。8號烈風或暴風信號會喺下午4點前維持。受到風暴潮嘅影響，大澳及尖鼻咀水位會喺正午12時左右升至海圖基準面以上3米幾。海面仍然有非常大浪及湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，切勿進行水上活動。喺過去1小時，昂坪、塔門以及係長洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時96、71及64公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時113、87及93公里。防風措施報告：風暴對本港帶嚟不同程度嘅破壞，四周環境可能會隱藏危機，市民務必保持警覺以策安全。香港國際機場嘅航班可能會受到天氣影響，旅客前往機場之前，請先向航空公司查詢航班嘅情況。有關最新嘅風暴消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分以及係踏正嘅風暴消息。
10 o'clock in the morning, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At 10 a.m., Typhoon Shaola was centered about 170 km west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.8 degrees north, 112.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-southwest at about 12 km per hour across the coastal waters of western Guangdong. Shaola continues to move away from Hong Kong, but its outer rain bands are still affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Gale force winds are still affecting many places of Hong Kong, with occasional storm force winds on high ground. Precautions should not yet be relaxed. The gale or storm signal number 8 will remain in force before 4 p.m. Under the influence of storm surge, the water level at Taio and Simbate Sui will rise to some 3 meters above chart datum around noon today. Seas will still be very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline. Do not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Ngongping, Tap Moon, and Qingshou were 96, 71, and 64 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 113, 87, and 93 km per hour respectively. For the precautions announcements, tropical cyclone brought different degrees of damages to Hong Kong. There may be hidden danger. Members of the public should remain on the alert for assurance of personal safety. Flights at Hong Kong International Airport may be affected by the weather. Please contact your airline for the latest flight information before departing for the airport. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報導完畢。